tell from the title, I went around a week and a half, 2 weeks, I'll explain that in a second, with only eating vegetables.
Only vegetables.
You might be thinking, why the heck would you go 2 weeks with only eating vegetables? Well, let me tell you. Of course, over the couple years, especially with all the stuff that's been going on in this world, you know what it is, my diet has went in the trash with a whole bunch of other people's diets. I wanted to do like a really deep cleanse, a very just cleanse all of the junk food and boudin and cracklins that I had in Louisiana that is so unhealthy. So I wanted to do a cleanse, but I didn't want it to be a juice cleanse because I don't want to drink juice for 3 weeks. Anyways, and you're probably thinking, did I lose weight? Yes, I lost weight. I lost around 6 to 7 pounds. I want to put like this little disclaimer out. I am not a nutritionist. I'm just saying what I did and what works for me. I say I did this for like a week and a half, 2 weeks. For a whole week, I did only eat vegetables. So with that being said, no eggs, nothing. I ate a whole bunch of spinach to keep my protein up, but nothing but vegetables and sweet potatoes and yellow potatoes. So for week 2, I added on eggs. I started eating eggs in the morning, but yeah, it was just eggs and vegetables. So that was week 2. But for 1 week, I did only eat vegetables, and I think that's where I probably lost the majority of my weight. I'm here to show you my grocery list. First, we'll go through like what I bought and like what you can snack on. And then second, I'm gonna show you some of the meals I made. And then we can come back, okay? And I can talk about the outcomes and like what I used to help me through it when times did get hard, and some tips and tricks, you know, to help you lose that 6 to 7 pounds that you need to lose, or not. Maybe you just want to do this for fun. Maybe you just want to be more healthier. That was one of the reasons I did it. Let's get to the grocery list. I'm gonna go through each one of these for you guys to kind of let you know what I'm using, what I bought, and yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so some of these ingredients are not fully vegan or vegetable, and that's just because there's certain meals that I wanted to make. This is one of the things that I was talking about that's not really vegetable, it's a fruit, so I am using this for the eggplant curry. I just thought that without it, it might not taste as good, but yeah, so I'm using coconut milk for my eggplant curry. I got some carrots. These carrots are for me to snack on. I think I'm gonna like bake some with some like spices and herbs. Yeah, so I basically bought carrots just to snack on. I'm a snacker, so like a lot of the vegetables I bought I'm not using for a meal. I'm just using to snack whenever I get hungry. I call them tomato poppers, I think, yeah, because they kind of like pop in your mouth, but yeah. I have some shallots. I'm gonna roast these actually. This is my first time ever eating or buying this. It doesn't look appetizing. It looks like an onion garlic, and I'm not the biggest fan of garlic, but yeah, we're gonna see. I'm gonna let you guys know right now, I am not the best cook, but we're gonna get through this week. Oh, I wasted some more tomatoes. Next, we have some lettuce, just some classic iceberg lettuce, very non-nutritional. Just in case I get hungry or something, I can just throw some lettuce in a bowl with some salad dressing and call it a day. This is the curry that I'm using, the korma curry. I've never used this before. I haven't made a lot of curries. I'm excited to see how it tastes. Creamy coconut. It looks good. I like it. Next, you know, you have the bell peppers. I'm gonna eat these for breakfast. I'm going to stir fry them. I might bake them. I'm throwing these in like about half of all the meals that I'm eating. They kind of go good with everything. I love bell peppers. I will eat these plain, so they could be a snack also. Here we have some celery. I don't really love celery unless it's like really cooked, so I'm not eating this as a snack, but it can be used as a snack and like, you know, with ranch or something. Here we have some cucumbers. I am going to use these to snack on, and I'm also going to make like a cucumber vinegar tomato snack. I don't really know what to call it, but you'll see. It's really good. Let's look at these bad boys right here. I have never eaten or cooked leeks before in my life. They look really cool, but But yeah, so this is gonna be an experiment. I'm excited about it. I bought some eggplants. This is obviously for the eggplant curry. Here we have a whole big thing of sweet potatoes. Literally, you can bake these. You can use these for anything. You can puree them. But yeah, sweet potatoes, love these. Always burn these in the oven, but that's okay. Here, I'm not even gonna open it. We just have your basic onions. I'm using this for like almost every meal that I'm gonna make. But yeah, we just have all the 3 different types of onions that I'm gonna use. Here we have a zucchini. I'm just gonna like stir fry this for breakfast. Baby golden potatoes, I love them. You can like snack on them. You can put them on the side of a meal. You can make anything with them. So yeah, I got some of these. I love, oh my gosh, I love juiced beets. But I'm going to roast these, actually. I'm not going to juice them. We have some avocados. Spinach. Eat your spinach, y'all. Some more tomatoes. Green onions. We got the lemons and the limes. Some spices. We got chive, bay leaves, garlic, seaweed. I use these to snack on. They're really good and tasty. Here I have some white vinegar for the vinegar, tomato, cucumber, red onion mix that I'm gonna make. So these are like the salad dressings that I love. Oh my gosh, this salad dressing is so unhealthy, but it's my favorite. So yeah, raspberry walnut vinaigrette. And this one is the Asian sesame with ginger and soy. This sauce I put on anything. It's like a taco sauce, but I literally will put this on anything. Like, it's good. I love it. And then we have just your basic, you know, salad dressing, balsamic vinegar, and extra virgin olive oil. Okay, you guys, I think that is all of the ingredients that I had. Now I'm going to give you the tips and tricks that I use to help me through it. First, let's go through the cons about this. The cons about this, obviously, you're not getting a whole bunch of protein. If you're just eating a whole bunch of vegetables, all greens, potatoes, I mean, you don't need an expert to tell you that's not a lot of proteins. Yeah, there's not too many cons in this. I didn't really, like, the food tasted good to me. Okay, so the type of workout that I did to lose that 6 or 7 pounds, cardio. Treadmill, go on a run, bike, stair machine, whatever, cardio. Whether it's like cardio with just running or cardio with lifting weights, you know. Cardio. What items, tactics that I use to help me out and to stay strong? Clear out all your cabinets. Like, there's no reason for you to have a Hershey Kisses or one of those really good cakes, the zebra cakes. That would be a weakness. There's no reason that I need a zebra cake in my cabinet while I'm going through this diet. That's just like the dentist putting all these pieces of candy in front of me and telling me not to eat it. I'm gonna eat it. You take everything out of your cabinets, fill it up with only healthy snacks. Go buy some seaweed. A lot of people don't like that, so go buy carrots or, you know, fresh snacks. Don't have zebra cakes, candy. Ice cream. You don't need that in your house during this time, I'm telling you. Second thing that helped me out, 2 Sparkling water. I cannot emphasize it enough. I drink it, I get full, I stay full for a significant amount of time. I'm trying to think of something else that might have helped me. I think that was it. Drink a whole bunch of water, do a lot of cardio, get rid of the temptations. I hope you guys like learned something a little bit from this. Again, this was like completely my experience and what I did to lose a decent amount of weight in a couple of weeks. You know, if you need some type of cleanse or like you just want to kind of like jumpstart that eating healthy diet, I feel like this is the way to do it because it can't get worse than only eating vegetables for a whole week. But yeah, talk to you guys next time.